A certified angel guide is a special designation that works on two levels. Firstly, an angel guide has a thriving relationship with their own angels. They can interpret angels' messages, signs, and recognize their daily presence. Secondly, an angel guide can facilitate a sacred and safe space for others to connect with their angels and channel healing and protection and guidance in professional sessions. Whether you're a healer, interested in adding this skill to your professional portfolio, or simply want to enhance your own angelic connection to help your friends and family, this course will equip you with the knowledge, techniques, and tools you need to share guidance, messages, and healing from the angels. And for the first time ever, I'm leading a 2-day intensive, in-person, certified Angel Guide Live training in London. After completing this 2-day intensive training program, you'll be certified as an Angel Guide. By sharing the light of the angels with others, you'll discover profound and exciting transformations within your own life, including enhanced well-being, improved self-worth, and an extraordinary shift in your perspective. You are a light worker, and you are here to make a difference. Your angels know you and love you, and they see the light you have to offer. It's time to go out and share that light with the world. Join me and let's step into greater purpose together. Certified Angel Guide Live in London.